Hello everyone, this is David. Today I will show you how to use the flat embroidery frame and a table. At first we can open these two clips and put the table on machine like this. Okay, you can say the metal should be in the slot of the table and the table should be on this holder, and that holder. Then we can close the two clips like this. Okay. Then we can fix the fabric into the frame like this. Use the long clips to fix this side of the fabric. Make the fabric be flat and tie in the frame. Okay, then fix this two sides by the short clips. Okay, it's done. You can say the fabric is flat and tie in the frame. It's okay. Now we can put the frame on table and install it on machine. But before that, we need to install the flat needle plant on machine. It is for flat embroidery. When we install a new hoop or frame on machine, we need to select the hoop in control system first. So we can click this button and click this button to make machine go to orange position first. And then click this button and select the free in control system. You can say the cross move to center of the frame on screen. It corresponds with the working needle and the needle hole. So when we install the frame on machine, the working needle should be in center of the frame too. So we can find correct openings on x-axis to make the working needle being center of the frame. Okay. Then we can fix the full screws by 3mm screwdriver. Okay. Then we can go to control screen and plug a USB disk on machine. We can select a pattern which we want to embroider. Click this button to read the USB disk. For example, we select this one and click this button to copy the pattern to machine's memory from USB disk and number it 13. Click OK. Then we can find this pattern in machine's memory here and select it. We can click this button to set color for the pattern. For example, this part we set the color in yellow and this part in black and this part in yellow too, this part in black and this part in white and this part in red and this part in black. Okay, and click OK to save it. Then we can go to this page to adjust the pattern direction by this button. Also, we can adjust the pattern size here, but it's better to adjust the range from 18% to 120%, because when you adjust the pattern size here, the pattern stitch counts cannot be changed. So if you adjust the size too much, the stitch density may be too high or too low. So the range from 18% to 120% is okay. So if you want to increase the pattern size, you can change the X and the Y to be 120%. If you want to reduce the pattern size, you can change the X and Y to be 18%. If you want to embroider the pattern just one time, you can get started to embroider directly. But sometimes we need to embroider the pattern many times in the big frame. So we can make a template like this. For example, I want to repeat the pattern on X direction 2 times and repeat the pattern on Y direction 2 times and change the interval tab to be outline and set the interval on x-axis to be 10 millimeter and set the interval on y direction to be 10 millimeter too. Okay, you can say the template is done. Then we can click OK to save the setting and click this button to check the pattern position in the frame. We can click the direction buttons to adjust the embroidery position in the frame, and click this button to change the frame moving speed. And for example, we want to embroider the pattern in center of the frame. We can click this button to move the pattern to center of the frame, and click this button to check embroidery area in the frame. The working needle and the right dots will indicate the embroidery area in the frame. So you can see the pattern will be embroidered here. Okay, after everything confirming, we can go to home page and click this button to make machine being ready schedule and save the pattern position in the frame. And then click the start button to get started. Okay, it's done. You can see it's very nice stitches. Finally, we can click this button to cancel the embroidery job. Then you can select other pattern and do next embroidery. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any question about embroidery machine, feel free to get in touch with us. See you next time. Bye bye.